Hello dear parents, I am Dr. Aravinda Lochani, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician working at KIMS Cuddles. Today we will see about the cervical cancer prevention vaccine. You all know that cancers are one of the most common causes of death in adult population. Among the females, the cervical cancer is one of the most common cause of mortality in the older ages. The cervix is the part of the female reproductive system which lies near the entrance of the uterus. Cancer of the cervix leads to a lot of morbidity and mortality in the adult female population. Now, in the recent immunization schedules, there is a vaccine for prevention of the cervical cancer which is called as human papilloma virus vaccine or HPV. There are many serotypes of this HPV virus which causes the infection and cancer, but among them the serotypes 16 and 18 have been shown to cause the invasive cancer and serotypes 6 and 11 have been shown to cause the viral warts. Usually these infections are transmitted by the sexual route. Once the children cross the adolescent age and participate in the sexual activity, they are more prone to get these infections. So the HPV vaccine is a blessing in disguise in that it prevents this most common cause of cancer in women, and also the viral warts can be prevented. So there are two types of vaccines which are the quadrivalent vaccine which covers all these 4 serotypes which causes the cancer as well as the viral warts, and the bivalent vaccine. Quadrivalent vaccine has been shown to be superior to the bivalent vaccine. Now the question arises whether the vaccine should be given in both the boys and girls. So in the male population also, the vaccine has been shown to prevent the incidence of the viral warts. So irrespective of the gender, it is ideal to immunize both boys and girls before their adolescent age, that is before the age of 14 years with these HPV vaccines. These are optional vaccines not available in the universal immunization schedule followed by the Government of India. So once the parents get information about these vaccines, they can make use of this opportunity to get the vaccines for their children at any center. When do we usually give this HPV vaccine? Usually after the age of 9 years the vaccine can be given. Between 9 to 14 years the vaccine is given in 2 doses 6 months apart. Suppose if the child comes to the hospital after the age of 14 years, the vaccines are given in a 3-dose schedule. For quadrivalent vaccines, they are given at 0, 2 and 6 months gap, and for bivalent vaccines they are given at 0, 1 and 6 months duration. Thank you.